Use a pry tool to remove the panel from both sides. Pull up the whole dashboard piece. Take off these two plastic clips, then remove the cover. Separate two covers by squeeze these locks. Then install this cover to the mini dashboard cover. Grab this cable from the kit. One side is for the passenger side. One side is for the main driver side. Passenger side, unplug the blue power plug. Then plug the white plug to it. And connect the blue plug to our cable. Then run the cable to the main driver side. Little black plug for connect the mini dashboard. Run all the way through TTHE dashboard panel to the main driver side. This plug is for the agreement. Unplug the original blue plug and then connect to our cable. You can run the cable from the right side, prevent the pressure. Install the rubber to the mini dashboard. And connect to the mini dashboard screen. Install the mini dashboard screen. Tape the cable. Install back the clips. Install back the plastic trim panel and the dashboard panel.